Okay, today we're going to road test our beautiful little 66 El Camino, little black show truck, pretty bucket seat red interior. I'm going to take it for a little test ride. This is a 283 power pack, 4-speed. Really nice driving. It's 4-barrel, dual exhaust. Got nice mufflers on it, so it sounds good. Very accurate representation of what they were back in 1966. Small block. Drives nice and straight up the road. It's also geared for the highway, so you can take it out on the long trips and not worry about wearing the car out. Got a nice spring day finally here in Rockville, Maryland. Clutch works perfect, transmission shifts perfect. Just show them the deck. This is a sweet little El Camino. We are Fleming's Ultimate Garage. You can reach us at 301-816-1000. Have a great day.